Welcome back. If you caught part 2, you know we're building something huge, and today we're taking it to the next level. Let's jump in. Connectivity improvements. Many Pixel users have previously criticized modem performance. Interestingly, reports suggest Google may move to a newer modem solution in the Pixel 11 generation. Potential benefits include better 5G reception, stronger rural coverage, faster downloads, improved battery efficiency, more reliable calls. For Americans living outside major cities, these improvements could significantly enhance everyday usability. Display technology. Displays continue improving every year. Expected Pixel 11 display features include OLED technology, higher brightness, better outdoor visibility, improved color accuracy, smoother refresh rates, enhanced HDR performance. These improvements could make streaming Netflix, watching YouTube, and gaming more enjoyable than ever. Gaming performance. Mobile gaming is huge in America. Popular games include Call of Duty Mobile, PUBG Mobile, Roblox, Fortnite, Genshin Impact. The Tensor G6 could deliver better sustained performance while maintaining cooler temperatures. That combination is often more important than benchmark scores. Android 17 integration. The Pixel 11 is expected to launch with Android 17. This means users could receive new privacy controls, enhanced customization, improved security, better battery management, AI-powered system features. Pixel devices traditionally offer the purest Android experience available. That trend is likely to continue. Google Pixel 11. Security features. Security remains a major selling point. Expected features include advanced encryption, improved biometric authentication, enhanced anti-phishing protection, AI-powered threat detection, security chip upgrades. American consumers increasingly value privacy and security, making these improvements particularly relevant. Competing against Apple. One question every American smartphone buyer asks, can the Pixel 11 compete with the latest iPhone? The answer depends on priorities. Choose iPhone if you prioritize iMessage ecosystem, Apple Watch integration, Apple services. Choose Pixel if you prioritize AI features, Google services, Android flexibility, computational photography, faster Android updates. The competition is becoming increasingly interesting. Competing against Samsung. Google Pixel 11. Samsung remains Google's biggest Android rival. Samsung's strengths: hardware innovation, foldables, display technology, brand recognition. Google's strengths: AI, software optimization, camera processing, Android updates. The Pixel 11 could become Google's strongest challenge yet. Pricing expectations. Google Pixel 11. Pricing remains critical. Industry expectations suggest Pixel 11 around $799. Pixel 11 Pro, higher premium tier. Pixel 11 Pro XL, ultra premium pricing. Foldable models, premium category pricing could ultimately determine the Pixel 11's success in the United States. Release date expectations. Google has gradually shifted launch schedules earlier. Current expectations point toward a late summer or August 2026 announcement. American consumers could potentially see devices arrive shortly after announcement. Who should buy the Pixel 11? The Pixel 11 may be ideal for Android enthusiasts, content creators, mobile photographers, professionals, students, frequent travelers, AI power users. Final thoughts. The Google Pixel 11 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphone releases of 2026. While many details remain unofficial, current reports point toward meaningful improvements in AI, battery efficiency, camera technology, performance, connectivity, and software intelligence. For American consumers, the Pixel 11 may represent something larger than just another smartphone launch. It could mark the beginning of truly AI-first mobile computing. As smartphones evolve from communication devices into intelligent digital companions, Google appears determined to lead that transformation. If the rumored features become reality, the Pixel 11 could become the Android phone to beat in 2026. And for millions of users across the United States, that makes this one of the most important technology stories of the year. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more technology news, smartphone reviews, and AI updates.